we have to get an Orangutini, Assassini, and a Frigo Camello for the next rebirth. But this next rebirth gives us Medusa's head. I am not seeing any Frigos nor Camellos in this one, bro. Not only do we get a Frigo Camello, but we got a gold Frigo Camello. Okay, that is one down. All we need is the Orangutini, Assassini, and then we can rebirth. Oh, Burbaloni! Wait, that's not what we needed. Ah, holy bang. We got a lucky block, bro. All right, we're literally pulling everything in the game, but we're not getting any Orangutinis. This lucky block is so rare to get, and I cannot wait to open it at the end of the video. Oh, thank heaven. Just give it to me. Thank you, Orangutini, bro. We're so close to rebirthing. I'm going to have my alt account steal that lucky block because that is rare. We got to open that later on. And with that, we can finally rebirth and get the Medusa head.